To respected teachers, and I am Lohita from 8th standard A section. I was present in the online class today as 29th April. It was extremely good. The moral lesson which our beloved principal told, and I was so it teach me a lesson that I should not be too much lazy. Why? Because this much days I was so lazy, and now I won't be lazy from today onwards. And I got many new ideas from our principal. He told you can do many things like craft works, you can exercises. So we have to have a plan for the particular day over here. Like for a particular day, we have to have a plan before. So I just made my plan as a schedule, and I'm just gonna move. So thank you, and hope I'll attend all the classes. Thank you, sir.
To senior principal and all teachers. Truly, I accept that in this vacation I had wasted my time, but today I had been satisfied and spent useful time because of this online class. In this online class, I understand the Brito Sir's speech. Brito Sir teaches small stories, proverbs, and about great men. Example: Narendra Modi, Mahatma Gandhi, and including our senior principal. Thank you.
Good morning. From this topic and from this session, I have learned about the importance of the learning and the advantage of the learning. Learning is something precious. Learning is something divine. Learning is like an ocean which does not have an end. The God of learning itself said that கற்றது கைமண் அளவு கல்லாதது உலகு. In this case, we are like a bit of sand in the hand. We have nothing. We don't know as much as God. Like that, no one can say I don't learn anything, because each and everyone are learning everything in every day and every night. The life is teaching them lesson. It may be good or bad, but the life is teaching them lesson to succeed in life. And no one can say I have learned everything, because there is something to learn every day and every night. And Hitesh Chaudhary has been learned from the bus owner, and the bus owner have been learned from the bus driver, and we are learning from the Dr. Gopal. I have accepted the Dr. Gopal speech. The neem tree cannot be uprooted with the hand, but it can be uprooted with the required equipments. That it's not easy, but it's not impossible. But so we are learning each and every day. It's a nice experience for us, and it's a memorable session. It's a memorable class. Thank you for giving me a memorable class and a memorable session. We are proud to be a human and are proud to be an Amalian.
My name is S. Kavya, Standard 9, Section H. இன்னையோட ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் இனி இவை கற்போம் இனியவை கற்போம் அப்படின்னு கிளாஸ் எடுத்தாங்க. இந்த கிளாஸில் எனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சுதுன்னா, படிப்புக்கு வயசு இல்லை, எப்போ வேணாலும் நம்மளால் நினச்சா படிக்க முடியும். இன்னொன்று என்னென்னா, இந்த வயசுலேயே நம்மளுக்கு படித்தாதான் பெரிய கிளாஸ் போக நமக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் படிக்கிறதுக்கு. அப்புறமேட்டு நம்ம இப்போ படிக்கிறத விட்டுட்டோம், டயத்தை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணால் பெரிய கிளாஸ் போக ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். இந்த பெரிய கிளாஸ்லேயே நம்ம நினைப்போம், நம்ம சின்ன கிளாஸ்லேயே படிச்சிருந்தோம், ஏன் இப்போ நம்ம இவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட போகிறோம், பேரண்ட்ஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ் சொல்கிறத கேட்டு அப்படியே படிச்சிருந்தோம், இப்போ நமக்கு இவ்வளோ கஷ்டம் இல்லை, ஸோ நம்மளால் படிக்க முடியும். அதனால் இப்போ டயத்தை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாமல் இந்த லீவில் இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸை பார்த்து நிறையா நான் கற்றுக்க விரும்புகிறேன். நல்லா இப்போயே நான் படிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நல்லா படித்தா பெரிய கிளாஸில் எனக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ.
Have a pleasure morning teachers who is watching me. And first of all, I would like to thank the staffs, teachers, in charges, senior principal all to give us such a wonderful online class which is very support for us in our studies. So I saw yesterday a video which was spoken by our Brito sir, and you have told that we should send a video by knowing that how it is helpful for us. So I am here to speak on that. Really, because of the coronavirus, we got such a long holidays. So we were just spending our time in watching TVs and playing with phones. but I was practicing only handwriting because it should be a regular thing for me in both English and Tamil. I will also read some storybooks, but other than that, not in studies, I didn't do anything. But this is a wonderful website for us which is very helpful. And I saw the story which was told by our principal. It is also a known story for everyone, but the moral is very interesting and very good moral. And he also gave some examples for that, like Mahatma Gandhi and etc. This online class does not only helpful in studies. I'm just wondering because it is also helpful in our fitness classes and yoga, gardening and crafts. Really to be said, I'm very interested in crafts which was done by waste materials. So this website will be I think this website will be also helpful in that. And thanks for giving us such a wonderful super website like this to not waste our time. Thank you all. Have a pleasure morning. Bye.
Good evening everyone. Myself Prijita doing 9th grade at Amropam High Secondary School, Puducherry. I would like to thank our principal, teachers and all the staffs for the wonderful efforts to boost our confidence and help to complete our syllabus by creating videos and sections which is very beneficial for us. Especially, this is the time of Corona lockdown has been implemented. This is my first online class and was experience so good. Be safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Good morning to respected teachers and respected sir. Today I have heard the speech of the honorable principal, and I am glad and happy to hear the speech of the principal, and I am also glad and happy to take the given advices, moral advices which are given by the honorable principals. And I have got up with an ideas which I have thought in my mind, and I am going to share these ideas with you. The first idea is I have got about the disadvantage of the laziness, and the second is the root of success is based on our hard work, and the root of laziness is based on the root of depress is based on our laziness. And the third thing is the time is precious or not precious, it's based on us. The time becomes precious when we are engaged and we are interested in something and we are eager to do something. The time becomes non precious when we are not eager to do something or not interested to do something. And the principal also shared his idea to make how to make a day useful one, and I am sure that I will make the day useful one by as principal told today. And also in this holiday time we are taking several initiative steps by considering our great future. So I will do our best, and I am proud to be a human, and I am proud to be an Amalian. Thank you for giving me a memorable hour with a memorable session.
ஹாய் சார், எனக்கு உங்களுடைய ஸ்பீச் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சதுன்னா அதுவும் அந்த கதை ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. ஏன்னா நான் அது இது வரைக்கும் நான் கேட்டதே இல்லை. அப்புறம் என் ஸ்கூலோடைய பிளான் என்னன்னு சொன்னீங்க, அதுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் சார்.
Good afternoon sir. My name is A. Felix. I am from 9th standard K section. I am from your school. I attend the online class and I watched the introduction session. It is very useful for me, and the story is guide me. Hereafter I will not be lazy. I always be bright. Thank you.
Good evening to the senior principal. Today video I saw, it was very nice. The story was very nice. I follow your instruction. I will do everything you say. It was very nice story. I will keep my house clean and neat. I will do craft you told like. I will see all the video which you sent. I follow like that. Thank you.
Have a pleasant evening, all of my teachers. I am Srija and I am from 8th C. Well, I hope you are staying safe at home, and I am safe here also. And I am also safe here. I really liked your video, and sir gave me some wonderful ideas. like photography, agriculture, basic science, script. Uh, thank you sir for our wonderful ideas. I learned many things from this video and I also can share, and I won't be lazy anymore. And I also wanted to share my craft work like rubber band stitchings and chalk art. So I made a rubber band stitchings. These are all colorful words like saffron, green, blue, yellow, violet, green and purple, red. These are my chalk arts. This one made for my sisters, and this one is made for my mother, and this one is for my brother. He would like to cartoon character. I written his name and down here. And this is pencil made out of chalk base. And thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and keep smiling. Thank you, teachers.
Hi, I am Manadi. I am very happy that our school started online classes. My mom often used to say is that read something, but I don't know what to read and I will collapse with every subject. So through these online classes, I make sure that I am reading in a correct manner and correct order so that I can score good marks in 9th standard. And I love gardening and craft and everything I love, so that I will surely make videos and I will post it. And I thanks a lot for the staffs and teachers who work for the online classes, and I will thanks a lot for the respected senior principal and principal. So last but not least is that I am very proud to be a student of Amlopam High Secondary School. Thank you.
Kid Alan, now I'm in class 9. Sir, I saw the video which was played today. Your advice and examples of great people's achievements really inspired me a lot. Sitting idle and watching TV or playing at home can achieve nothing. You have given me such a useful work to utilize and to gain much knowledge in studies without wasting time. This will surely give me a good foundation for the present class of this year. I am very grateful to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am, I can spend my time very usefully by seeing this online class, and I am learning a useful thing through this. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Today, our school has started a new program that's nothing about online classes. Today, class was very interesting because of our principal has teach about what we should not do in our life, that's about laziness. It's very interesting. Next class would be very interesting, I think so. It would be very useful for me in my future life, and in this lockdown period it's a very interesting idea. So thanks to giving this beautiful opportunity, thanks to my school.
Good evening, I am VS Kavya of 9C. I am going to share some speeches on online class. Today I have an online class in the topic of introduction of online class. In that our principal gave some speeches about, he gave a story and information about great people's proverbs, schedules. The story was about lazy horse and the salt trader. The moral of the story was we should not be lazy, and he gave some proverb about laziness and some fun facts of great peoples like Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, Ambani, etc. And I like this online class, and I am eagerly waiting for the upcoming online class. Thank you.
Happy evening everyone. I'm M. Kirtana from 9th B. I'm here to share few words about introduction to online classes said by our principal, and I just wanted to thank him for giving us moral values and giving new ideas to use our time. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me new ideas to use my precious time. Actually, I really wasted my time by watching TVs, cell phones, computers, laptops, etc. But now I came to know how to use my time, that is precious time, at home by innovating new things. Thank you so much, sir. You said that laziness is the mother of all evils, and I understood, and I won't be lazy hereafter. I just promise you, sir, that I won't be lazy hereafter, and I will use my precious time by innovating new ideas, and I won't waste my time by just watching TVs or whatever it is. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Jaychan. Going to 8th standard to 9th standard. I first thank God, my parents and belonging teachers for giving me this golden opportunity to speak what I have learned today. First thing, the story that told me sir today taught me some good things to follow in my life. Do the duty at your life. Never cheat anybody, then you automatically will be cheated. Third point, never be lazy. That will be succeed in your life. Second thing, that sad you are speaking about achievers, that was interesting for me. I think this video will be tomorrow I will say today and today now. Being Amelian, I'll achieve my goal in my life. Third thing, sir, you taught me about the eagle story. I learned how to live in my life. Being the student of Amlapom High Secondary School, I will never be lazy. So I can get more time to shine my life. Finally, I concluded, sir. I told me each and every you told. My child. It was very impressive for me. The efforts you have made to make this video to make this study. I thank my senior principal, my principal, and I change to give it. I am very lucky. Thank you. Stay home, save life, stay nation, stay country, save planet. Thank you through Corona or COVID-19. Thank you for trusting me to reach the goal and target. Thank you, sir. Good evening.
I'm G. Janani, 9th C. So far, I'm reading Tamil newspaper. After watching your speech, I'm going to read English newspaper, Times of India.
I'm Yogeshwar. I'm studying in 9th standard. Today they have started the online classes regarding about the coronavirus. In our family, they are following the same as the government rules. Then they are said about the story, the salt and the horse seller, the salt seller and the horse. They had said, I had realized the story that we should not speak lies and we should not cheat anyone. They had said about the upcoming classes like exercise, craft, etc. I will follow the same. Thank you.
I am Shogun from 9G. I am here to share my experience about my online class. The online class is very useful for us to spend the corona lockdown in a meaningful way. The story of the lazy horse is very interesting and informative. Thank you.
Nikita of 8th standard, H section. I am studying in Amlapom High Secondary School. Now I am going to enter 9th standard. I am so happy. And this video, what I watched is about the good habits that one have to follow. This video insists us to follow the good habits. So this nothing but that good habits lead to a good future. So we have to follow the good habits. I assure that I will follow all the good habits. And our principal instructed us to not be lazy by using mobile phones and watching TV, etc. So we have to do some certain activities like yoga, meditation, exercise, fitness, so it can lead to a peaceful life. So we have to read books during holidays. If we can't, we can recall them at once. It is not only that we should not read books. We have to concentrate on our studies as well as So I am eager to perform the other classes by tomorrow. So I am waiting for the other classes. Let's do it.
Good evening, sir. I am Varun from 9th L. Sir, I am very happy and feel proud to be a part of our Amrapam Higher Secondary School. Sir, I am very thankful for starting online class during this lockdown period. Sir, your today's speech gave me a lesson to my studies on honestly. Thank you very much, sir, for your great support and our Amrapam education. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Happy evening, sir and ma'am. I am Maureen Pragati from 9C. I like to share few points about today online class. The online class is very good. Our teacher told a story about the lazy horse and salt seller. In the story, I learned we should walk with honesty and sincerity without laziness. Lazy people will always loser in life. Be active and do not be lazy like that horse. Time is precious. Do not waste it. In this online class, it will be beneficial to us. Thank you, our senior principal and other staff.
Hi teachers, I am Mitraksha. I am very glad to talk about my online class. The lesson that was taught by our principal was very useful for me. I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m. But after hearing our principal words, I am going to wake up at 6:30 a.m. and also I am going to make a schedule to make all day useful and also memorable. And also I am going to follow things that are shown in the videos, and I think the online classes are going to be very amazing. Thank you teachers and principal for this great effort. Thank you.
While in the lockdown, I was too lazy, but I will do work what my mother says. After seeing your speech only, I realized that I should not be lazy hereafter. I will wake up at 7 o'clock or 7:30 a.m. usually, but I should go to bed soon and get up early in the morning. Thank you.
சார், எதிர்பார்க்காத விதமாக COVID-19 வைரஸ் வந்துருச்சு சார். நீங்கள் சொன்ன மாரி நான் வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் லீவ் விடும்போது லாங் லீவ் விடும்போது சரி ஜாலி இந்த மாதிரியே ஹாப்பியாக லேசினஸாக இருந்துடலாம், டிவி டேப் அந்த மாதிரி தான் நான் பார்த்துருந்தேன் சார். கேம்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி பார்த்துருந்தேன் சார். நீங்கள் இன்னைக்கு காலைல சொன்னதை வச்சு தான், சொன்ன ஸ்டோரியை வச்சு தான் நான் வந்து புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன் இதுக்கு மேலே வந்து நம்ம இந்த மாதிரிலாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் சொன்ன எல்லா திங்ஸுமே சூப்பராக இருந்துச்சு சார். அப்புறம் வந்து எல்லா திங்ஸும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு சார். எனக்கு இதுக்கு மேலே நான் எல்லாத்தையும் மாற்றிக்கிறேன் சார்.
ரொம்ப ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். அதனால் இதுக்கு ஒர்க் பண்ணுற டீச்சர்ஸ்க்குலாம் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். பாய்.
I'm Shalini. I'm from 8th C. The online class was a nice experience to me. I have learned many things from online class. I think it will be helpful for my life and my future. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for setting up online classes for all of our goodness and knowledge. You have said a really good story which has many moral values and some good points. Thank you.
இந்த வீடியோலேருந்து நான் என்ன புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன்னா, நம்ம எப்போதும் சோம்பேறித்தனமாக இருக்கக்கூடாது. லேசியாக இருந்தோம்னா நம்மளோட வேலை தள்ளி போயிட்டே இருக்கும். அதனால நம்ம வேலையை கரெக்டாக பண்ண முடியாது. எப்போதும் நம்ம ஒரு வேலை செய்யணும்னு முடிவு பண்ணிவிட்டு அந்த வேலையை அப்பயே செஞ்சிடணும். அதை விட்டுட்டு நம்ம மதியானம் சாயங்காலம் செய்யணும்னு நினச்சா அந்த வேலையை கடைசி வரைக்கும் ஒழுங்காக செய்ய முடியாது. இந்த வீடியோலேருந்து இதுதான் நான் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன்.
Evening, sir. I am Pramachara and I am studying in 9th B. Today online class you told one story that was a very motivational story, and you told some good habits that we have to wake early in the morning and do exercises and yoga, and we have to worship the dog in every morning. And you told that we should not waste time because it is very precious. We can save our time by cut the pictures in the newspaper and we can paste it in a notebook, or we can write the picture description, what you can see in the picture, which is help us to improve our knowledge skill, language skill too, knowledge and language skill too. We can also read some storybooks in any other language like Tamil or English too. If we don't know any other meaning for that particular word, we can write in a rough note or any other notebook, and we can search in a dictionary also, which it is also helps to improve our knowledge skill to speak English fluently. We can also help our parents or grandparents in their work. We can talk to them, and we can play some of the family games to them. And you told some of the people who achieved in their life. Among them, I like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is Missile Man of India. And my ambition is I want to become as a scientist who makes food.
I am Vijayasri of 9th standard A section. Today, I have learned that laziness does not lead to success, and it is one of the biggest obstacles in achieving our dreams. So, hereafter, I will wake up earlier. During the free time, I will started to read more books. I hope I will learn a lot through these online classes during the college period. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Bharadwaj. I have seen your video. It's very inspirable for me. I will be a very successful man in my life, and I will achieve a big history in my life. I hope this video will helpful me in my life. Thank you.
I am Grisha from 9th standard. Today I have attended online introduction classes. It is very useful and I got lot of advice from sir. I am looking forward to attend all the sessions and update my studies and knowledge. Thank you.
Just for this first video of online class. It was the introduction of online classes. The principal took it was pretty good. It was pretty exciting too. It inspires me. We talked about the laziness and how we should not waste our holidays in midst of the town. So we first talked about the story, the consequences of laziness, which leads to destruction, and they talked about the people who worked hard to reach a great place in the world. We talked about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we talked about our senior principal, we talked about Narendra Modi, and so on and so on. It's also very pretty inspiring to me. I hope it inspires our students too. Overall, it's very good. It just inspires me to not to be lazy, and hope our upcoming online classes will be good, better than each other. So that's it. Thank you for the senior principal for planning this online classes. It's very helpful for me, helpful for the future, I believe. So thank you for the senior principal and staff who are working very hard for these things. And I hope the next video will be good. Thank you.
A warm evening present to everyone present here. I am here to tell about that learning to the which means online class is good. For 2-3 months I didn't get, I was in leave, and after that I got that online class and I was surprised. After that I entered that and I was logged in, and on the next day I got the 2 Hindu newspapers. In the first newspaper I read more about asteroids. In the second newspaper I read about English, which means English puzzles. Next, after 3-4 minutes, I was in the speech of Antonius Brito sir. After that, I told him that I will reach the success and I will work hard. I will not lazy. Thank you for giving me this opportunity for the online classes. Thank you, sir, teacher, and ma'am.
Good morning to all our teachers, and special thanks for senior principal to begin this online class. I really enjoyed the video, and thanks for carrying us to improve our studies. Thanks for giving an excellent story. I clearly understood and improved my knowledge through daily online class and social media. I promised for your and my parent words. Thank you.
Miss, I am Giridharan.
I was very really excited by the online classes because it was the first time to attend the online classes. I received the Hindu newspaper which was sent by our school, Amalurpam High Secondary School. In that newspaper, it was very interesting topic, which was the asteroid was going across our Earth. What is the interesting news in this news means? Hereafter, it will come across our Earth on the year 2079. And another thing was, I saw a video, the introduction to online class. In that, our principal told that yoga classes and exercises, craft and science classes will be going on. I was really excited because my science is the favorite subject to me. I am really thank you.